Hey, what is up, everybody? My name's Josh. Welcome back to the investing channel here on YouTube. So, whoever's watching this video, whether it be Kev, Alex, or whoever, I really just wanted to make this video to show the volatility of options so you guys could get an idea. So, check this out. This is a month chart right here. Well, I'll go back 3 months. Okay, so this is me trading just safe on dividends, passive. And I was like, okay, you know what? I'm going to get back into options. Remember what I said that I wouldn't do? So I actually got back into it. And at this point right here, bam, look at the lowest point of the count. It was at $413. Look at that. That's very low. And then, look, like the next day, we just go 2 days later, we're back up to $1,200. So we literally over doubled our money in 2 days. And see, at the highest point over here in late July, I was at 1,563, but it's on this roller coaster ride. The way these options work, once they expire for nothing if you don't sell them for the cost of the premium. Trying to explain what they are in just a couple seconds. A contract, you either have a call or a put, and it is the right to buy 100 shares or sell 100 shares at the expiration date, which is this right here. You see that 8/21 and it says EXP expiration? That is the day that your call or put would execute. So on 8/21, on expiration day, I bought one contract, which is the right to buy 100 shares of American Airlines at a $15 call. So at $15, I would buy 100 shares at $15 if I had that money in my account. But why this is so volatile and how we can make a lot of money off of it with the smaller account is we're just buying and selling the right to buy or sell 100 shares. And due to whichever way the stock price goes, people with a lot of money will pay to have the right to buy or sell 100 shares, and that's how these options can be worth so much. So yeah, so I'll go back to my account here and show you. So this is today. Over the past week, we're down at. I started out with $1,000, so we're basically right back at where we was at. But if you're wondering what I'm trading right now, I've got a long call expiration January 15th in 2021 on Ford. I got this going right here because of the new truck that the Badger or whatever it is they're coming out with. I'm hoping that the numbers will be good, and I've got a long call on that. So we'll see what happens with that Ford call. This McDonald's put, I had that a while back. I just went out on a limb here. There was no real reason. I literally paid $400 for that, and now it's worth $8. I mean, that one's a bad one right there. But that's one of the things that's dragged the account down. These ain't gonna. None of these really look like they're gonna do too good. But I'm just holding them just to see what happens because they're not worth that much. $16 a dollar, $18 a dollar, $5, $8, $87. See, they're not worth a whole lot. So, which the Ford one that could do really good. But yeah, so this is what I'm doing now. I'm in option trading. And you know what? I might as well go ahead and show you my M1 Finance account. M1 Finance. So we'll see if it pulls up here. Log in. It should remember my password. You know what? I don't want to type this in while it's recording. I'll do another little video on that so you can see like what my Roth IRA and the little passive income account looks like. But yeah, so this is what it looks like. I actually like Robinhood on the computer. It seems a lot better to me. So yeah,